Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dennis. So for today, I want to answer this question. A lot of people keep asking, people that want to go into poultry business, they keep asking between layers and broilers, which one is more profitable. The fact is, there is no straight answer to which one is more profitable. But I think I have 3 tips that will help you, or 3 tips that you have to consider before you choose which line of business you have to do. Now, the fact is, you can do both layers and broilers at the same time. If you have the power, if you have the capital and you have the knowledge, you can do the 2. At Denko Farms, we are also doing the 2. You can see right here, I'm sitting in my layers pen. So we started layers not too long this year, early February, that we started our layers business. We have been into broilers for more than 6 years and 7 years thereabout. So we just started this line of poultry business. And then people keep asking me, people that have interest that want to go into either broilers or layers business, they keep asking which one is more profitable. Now you see people coming with answers. To me, I don't think we have one right answer. All the answers are depending on 2 factors. All the answers, which one is more profitable than the other, is depending on 2 factors. And number 1 is the demand and supply of your market. The invisible hand of what? Demand and supply. What is the demand like for layers in your community? What is the demand like for broilers in your community? You have to consider these 2. If you consider the demand for broilers, then consider the demand for eggs. The fact is, layers are going to be giving you money daily. Like now, I'm so happy because every day we are sure that, okay, we are going to get 20 crates for a start. We have a capacity to get nothing less than 80 crates daily. As they are just starting, now we are getting nothing less than 20 crates per day. So the cash money is that, okay, we are selling 1 crate for 1,400. So every day we are sure that, okay, we are making 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. And you know, as a starter and a business, you need cash flow. So cash is coming in every day from the layers production. But then in broilers, you have to keep them for at least 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 9 weeks, depending on the market demand you have for your meat, before you start selling. So for beginners, they start looking at things that will give them money quick. So most people go for broilers because, yes, they give you money quick. Then for layers, you have to stock your layers, wait for nothing less than 5-9 months for them to start laying. So I would advise you that if you want to go into this business, the first thing you have to look at the market demand. Let's assume people that stay in far northern states like Kaduna, Kano, and let me say Bauchi, Zaria, and the rest. In those places, what most people look at, people consume eggs more in those places. People consume eggs more. So if you are there, you might be looking at layers as a way to start. And if you are in a place where there is both demand for layers and also demand for broilers, I think the most important thing you have to look out for is your financial capacity. Do you have the money it takes for you to stock broilers from day 1 and feed them till maturity at week 6 to 8 before you start selling? You have to check how much do you have, how much does it cost to set up the pen. Like for the battery cage system of layers that we have here, the battery cage is capital intensive. So as a beginner, if you're starting, you might not be able to fund this project. You might not be able to fund this project. So you'll be looking at, okay, broilers is more easier for you to start. Because with broilers, you don't need much capital to start. Because you are not going to construct this pen, the battery cage. So the best advice I will give you is you first have to consider the market, then consider your financial capacity before you decide which aspect of either broilers or layers to go into. The marketing aspect of it is easy. Because if you have a market for your broilers, once they are week 6, week 7, week 8, you have people of taking from you. So you don't have issues, you don't have to wait and look for people to come and buy from you. So, as a beginner, I advise you also get the knowledge. You also get the knowledge, because if you don't have knowledge of layers, you don't just talk. When I started, I have somebody that has been into the business of layers to come and teach us how to do it, because I've been into broilers. So when I wanted to learn layers, I have to get somebody that will teach me how to do layers. So you also have to invest in knowledge. Pay money for an expert, a practicing expert, not just an expert, somebody that has been into business to come and teach you how to do it. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and if you have a question for me, you can drop it in the comment section and I will reply you. Thank you. I remain your billionaire farmer, Dennis.